and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be something very interesting. Now, as you can see, I have these 3 items, and as you know, right now with Z Gallery and everything, big ginormous vases are in style. And if you buy one that's ginormous, you're going to pay a ginormous amount of money. So what I did was I decided to go to the thrift store and come up with an idea where I can make my own ginormous vase for way less. So you're going to see what I do with these 3 things. But first I'm going to tell you, I got these at the thrift store. As you can see right here, this glass was $8.99. This bowl, $4.99. And I actually had this round bowl, but you could get anything like this at any thrift store. They usually carry round bowls. So on top of this, I got a half price discount. So that 9 and 5 is what? 14, and half of that is 7. So for $7, I'm going to make a ginormous vase, and it is Z Gallery inspired. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start doing is we're going to start building our vase. Okay? So what I'm going to do right now is flip this over, and then I'm going to add some E6000, lots of it, because this is a heavy, heavy piece. And I'm going to add this right in the center. Make sure it's even. Looks pretty even. Then the next step is I'm going to add more E6000. This one I'm not going to add hot glue. I'm just going to use this because it's going to have to sit for about 24 hours, or at least 12 hours, before I can do anything with it. I want to make sure that it's nice and dry. So I'm going to put this on top, and just make sure that it's even. And any glue spillage, we're going to wipe that down. Just want to make sure that this is even. So we're going to get a rag and wipe off the excess glue. We'll try it with this. After we've cleaned it sufficiently, make sure all the glue's off of the edges. We're going to set something heavy on top, and we're going to let it sit for 12 hours. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is spray paint this. So unfortunately something happened to, I cracked it, so I had to cover it with this. I had to add rope. I bumped into the door and cracked the vase, so I had to fix it. So So this is how I decided I had to roll up. So I just rolled this, and I'm hoping this can savor it. I really can't tell you. It was a gorgeous vase, and I just bumped into the wall. So let me finish this up. Now at the top, I was thinking, I have these little beads, and I was thinking maybe I could put the beads around the top. I just want to go ahead and try it and see how it works. Now I got these flowers from the Dollar King. So you see they're $1 a piece. They're beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these down and then arrange them in the vase.